Hi friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will be understanding logistics management and in that, complaint management. These are all the various topics we will be going through. One is the definition, second one is the problem solving process, and third one is the corrective and action and then preventive action. We will understand the definition, and in this definition, we need to understand what exactly a complaint is. Complaint means whenever there is a specification or a requirement, and if there is a non-conformance with respect to that, it can be treated as a complaint. So complaint is something we should not have from our value addition process, because this will significantly damage the credibility of our business. We will be understanding problem description here. So before we have a problem description, we need to have a problem solving team. And in this problem solving team, there should be all the representatives who are responding for this particular problems, like from manufacturing, from logistics, from supply chain management, material planning, from quality, supplier quality, purchasing, like that there can be various departments. And then we need to describe the problem very clearly by 5W and 1H principle. 5W and 1H means why we are not able to detect that, and then what is the problem, when did it happen, who has contributed these things, how this particular thing can be avoided. So these are all some of the things in which we can really describe the problem. Then we will understand the containment. So containment means we will understand from an example. Consider that there is a fire, and in that particular case, in the fire in the building, we should not go and really waste our time in understanding the root cause of that. At that particular point of time, we need to take sufficient actions to get rid of that fire. We have to put a water or any other fire extinguishing mechanisms. Similarly, when there is a complaint from a customer that he is telling that your packaging was not right, or we did not deliver to the right location or with the right quantity, then immediately as a containment, we need to protect our customer with the replacement of the right quantity with right packaging at the right place. Then we need to understand the root cause. Because if we are trying to solve a problem at a surface level, then it's going to be extremely difficult, because the problem is however going to recur. So we need to understand the root cause of that, then we need to fix the root cause. When the root cause is being fixed, automatically the problem at a systemic level is going to be avoided. Not only from this plant, across the various other plants which we are going to operate. We need to understand the validation part of the root cause, because many times what happens, the root cause which we think will not be an exact root cause. So once we analyze the root cause, which we think as a root cause, we need to do a simulation of that. If from that root cause exactly we are getting the same problem, then we can really understand that that was the root cause, and we need to take sufficient precaution measures to rectify from that particular root cause. Then we need to have the corrective action planning. These are all the feasible options to rectify the root cause, and then we need to execute those kind of corrective actions considering the feasibility of which corrective action can rectify this particular root cause. If we are able to prove that there are certain corrective actions which are able to solve the root cause, we need to horizontally deploy these things in our various value addition processes wherever there is potential feasibility, and it can happen in various other different plants where we are operating also. Once we are going to solve all these particular problems, we have to take a customer feedback, whether these things are really, did we really solve the problem? If the feedback is positive, then we have to go and update the QMS. That means to say quality management system, procedure, or other standards which are responsible. So consider that there was a packaging issue, and from the packaging issue we really designed a new packaging and we rectified from that particular thing, and we have to go and update the packaging drawing or the packaging FMEA, failure modes and effects analysis. So with all these things, we can really solve a complaint in the logistics management process. So that's it in the video. Thank you so much.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.